In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma.app. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation maker that also builds beautiful, scrollable websites. So let's walk through creating a live page from scratch. First, head to Gamma in your browser, log in or sign up if it's your first time, and click Create New. On the creation screen, choose Generate with AI. If you see format options, pick Website or Web Page. This tells Gamma to produce a long, scrollable layout rather than traditional slides. Now enter your website prompt. In one or two sentences, describe what the page is about and who it's for. For example, you could say, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency, build a portfolio website for a virtual assistant, or generate a sales page for an online course. Be specific about your audience, services, and goal. The clearer your prompt, the better the first draft. Before you generate, adjust a few settings. Choose a tone or style, such as professional, modern, or minimal. Select a length, short, medium, or long, based on how much detail you want. Then pick a theme to set the overall look and feel. When everything matches your brand, click Generate, and let Gamma build the draft. Review the website Gamma creates. You'll typically see core sections like a hero, about, services, and a call to action, along with suggested text and a clean layout. Scroll through the full page and note what works and what needs refinement. Next, edit the content. Click into any section to rewrite headlines and body copy, add or delete sections you don't need, and rearrange the layout to improve flow. Aim for clear headlines, concise benefits, and a single, obvious action. Customize the design to fit your brand. Update colors and fonts, insert images, videos, or icons, and fine-tune spacing and alignment. Keep the visual style simple and consistent so the message stands out. If you need more depth, use the plus add card button to insert extras like testimonials, pricing tables, a contact area, or FAQs. These sections build trust and answer common questions that might block conversions. Add links and buttons so people can take action. Edit labels like book now or get started and point them to your social media, booking pages, or specific products and services. When you're ready, publish. Click share or publish, generate a live link, and share it with your audience. No coding is required. That's it. Your Gamma website is live and ready to use.